I also see five gate for here, so I'm a smart.
Thank God.
This kind of gate there, so how much are these ones now?
This one everything we do, and I just all the pipe na 2 mm. This lining, all this rod na 14 mm.
14 mm
and 14 mm.
Wow. So
okay,
this one be 2 mm, so
2 mm. Even this one at 2 mm. So I see 2 mm.
Wow. So man, that be smart in there. Which one be this design again, see?
This one I just rosette na flower.
Okay.
The important they come.
So I don't know the break now.
No, not the break na iron.
Okay, na iron.
This one na iron.
Oh wow. How many feet gate this also?
So na 16.
16
by 8.
16 by 8. Wow. Na rolling gate.
And a rolling gate.
Oh man, that be small. So how much for this one now?
This one at 900.
900.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, that be smart, you know. Why you call this black and good for you? I
just so like this thing will, this flower then will still pronounce. Come as okay. If you have everything are black, you know, they see our hand. The color of the good now. See good come out some more.
Okay, this one have Versace.
This one have Versace there.
Wow,
Versace.
No,
Versace follow up there.
Okay, the Versace follow there.
Yes, yes.
So I don't know the break now.
No, iron. Everything iron.
Why you couple for one side, call it this side?
No, this one I would say because sometimes if they go, if they injure, you cut out from motor, and then go injure person.
Okay.
So what do we call it now? If we all reach the size 7, now we call it go down. We don't want to go and tear one of my boy head.
Gosh.
And this thing is sharp well. So they very sharp.
Okay.
So what we call it now? We just spray them. We all reach there. We try to install and finish. We call the wood and put.
Okay. Voila. That's that get yesterday. Oh, that yesterday.
Oh, yeah, get many.
Wow.
This one I see another one.
Yeah, that's fine.
This one I see 16 feet.
16 feet.
Oh,
that is for there.
This one they call them billion pound.
Billion pound.
Oh, this one Benin. I go back Benin pound. And this one.
So which is not be Versace.
Oh, not be Versace. This one I just this thing tortoise back.
Tortoise back.
Yeah.
That is small thing. And I still rolling gate.
Yeah, rolling gate.
Oh.
So then for this door and Versace can be.
Okay, couple Versace for the door.
For the door, yeah. This door.
Yeah, what about this one?
This one I probably referred one. The guy and the hurry was that time we take this gate to, but now I say we want put if they don't do it for how many months now, they never see come. So the player, the company never ready. The first we see the inside. First we do inside.
It's good. It's something you show us first. Okay.
This one I still another gate, another design entirely.
Wow.
Yeah, now this one a laser cut. Then stainless pan, blue. On the mirror pan.
Okay.
On the from back put on. Understand? Then that stainless pan that's the up there.
Wow.
So this one I just on that design entirely.
These are just fine. Which kind of design do you have so?
You guys just send a come. This is the more design.
Which kind of style? I don't use this one here.
This one 2 mm.
Okay.
2 mm. Then where this one? Now 1.5. And then because you know I say they get very close. And they go the heavy well. So the same laser cut I consider here.
Okay.
Then stainless pan on the
I see 16 feet.
16 feet.
16 feet.
Yeah.
So how much are this one now?
Even a 1.3.
1.3.
Yeah.
Why not do like that now?
This laser cut. This one costs well. And the stainless pan.
Okay.
She said the design we carry many.
Yes.
And this one I want design. See another design here. Then cause carry pan, billion pan
for inside.
for inside.
Okay, sir.
And the pipe, just a very day close, na just one each. One each spacing.
Okay, Oga, my name is Godwin Osamoyi. What is your name?
My name is Mr. Kennedy Amoregbe. But the name of my company is Kenomos Creation.
Okay. I know this gate na do for the company.
No, not believe this game. Still do other things.
Okay.
This one is still on that gate. This one just still be like the other one just now. But another design. This one not be that tortoise back. And this one can carry two Versace head. Okay. Then but this one with the other one, so then the same price. Okay. And I just 700. This one and that one. We get that tortoise back. Nah, the same amount. This one are those veranda who they still do. They use water until they do. Like the this one. Okay. Yeah. This one is still on that gate. They will never spray them. Almost, but I just see one inch line. Okay. But this one, like this one, the person say no, you don't need pan. You don't need pan. We have the let's go. So that's it does. Okay. Okay, so it does. Like that veranda just now where they show you. Yes. I felt like this, but this one we don't complete now. We go install this one just now. This one they go doing now. Wow. It's small. So how much for this veranda then? So it depends on this thing. But the money we are doing now 4. Before I just 4. You gotta pay me 1.1. Now the guy pay. Okay, before 1.1. Because you think it's high. Well. So if I want to do only one, how much? I pay except the measurement. Okay. At least if you want to do only one like this one, yeah, it will be 280. 280. Okay. Then this one a double pan. The back and front. Back and front door. How about this door? This door, the last price now 200. The last price 200. 200. Yeah. For all of them. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh. The back and front, double pan door. A double pan door. It's this one are bulletproof. Bulletproof. A double pan. I just to all those noise. You know, say one pan I go to make noise with backer. Yes. And this one no that noise. Okay. Yes, yeah. Okay. This one let me strong bulletproof. If anybody tells you because double pan, it doesn't be bulletproof. Even like bulletproof now, no be you don't carry this type frame. Okay. With a plain frame, and that frame now because if the one Benin go before mm. Then this side now, this pan way there so. You know they not design like this. You get the plain pan. Okay. That plain pan will be 4 mm. Then the back you put 4 mm. I think that's one you call bulletproof. Because before bullet will pass this 4 mm, go come out because inside there you see fiber there. Those you come out for the other side that you know if you pass that the other 4 mm. So the bullet don't weak. Don't weak. And if you pass the first one, but the other one not be pass. They say this one, anybody tells you that bullet from a line talk. And I just because of that noise. Okay, sir. Okay, what you guys talk for the photographer is we see the saying I got the black them for where see they recognize us. So see the payment that see they increase the number see they make provide for them so that the more they see they do that, the more we see they get our own for side, they get our contract. I got the black them, they do well. Yes, thank you, sir. Yeah. You still see some other ones for ground here. And this one like just see I see veranda. Okay. This one a veranda. I design this one a Versace. Go just follow around. Okay. But this one not be raw tire. I just normal 1.5. Okay. So the person all this one a window. So do window protector. Yeah, window protector, yeah. Okay. How they call test window. This one I see that's it is more of that veranda just now.
Okay.
This one I have to line up. Now this one I say we want go submit. Just now say we don't do this one.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. If I say me you do my search, maybe you go take some estimate how the PRB, you just share you sample like this, you say you're done home.
No, I'll go take measurement. I go to take measurement. After I don't take measurement, we'll come talk about the price. Then if we come to compromise, say we agree for the price, then we start to the drum.
Okay, sir. So is there any other challenge you say the state pass through this one you still know that?
And the only challenge wey we dey face for inside be say some I get one work wey person give me a Tuesday because the man dey Italy for him wife house. He reach there go meet him wife family. No be small thing, how come we use the way we use? And I'm the other supervisor say we just come. So if someone come, why they will go give person work outside? So all those things that be challenges. Because like I say, you go do the work, so you do one, they will want this man condemn man because of the work. They not be then they carry us come. And while some there was some you even tell you say I beg you, even say it is there, they will say you must. You know one woman and the husband I contact me. And then after everything I say make before I write the quotation, me I say no, our policy now we call us, now they send the quotation go. We say no person and give her. So I can't send and give her, send and give the husband.
Okay.
So she called me say why the fair for us and give her say she want add her own journal. I say no, if my director here say now you are send quotation go give, they go sanction me. So that's why I contact and say I say now this one be the policy for the later show. Okay. Now we send us, we get part of first, now we send the quotation go give.
Yes.
So a lot of guys do that's okay, no what I'll buy you drink. So after the work I see I don't buy, I say this one I don't drink. I don't say yeah, I join the work.
Exactly.
So like,
all right, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So you give us your phone number and address now.
My address is the same number 48 West Street between 2nd and 3rd. My phone number is 08035704001. While the second one is 08113184002. All of them they WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Other videos we don't call the claimants of the day. Our God Kendomos creation don't tell us everything when you come to here today and the amount for each of the gates for here. Me and I will talk too much. So they say sin is believing and the trial will convince you. If you want to know more about this man, just play our video from the beginning to the end. You will see all the fine gates and doors all day here. But I'll tell you, say this man or God for anything concerning where they work matter, but then I can't stand or I've been a tank stand or gate to protector, I've been like door, anything concerning where they work matter, I've been even iron, they still iron, anything you want to do concerning where they work. This man in day na external gate you wan do now oga for inside though my people not to say you know here no go dey waka up and down go dey find better weather wey wan do work for you like can almost creation na be the solution o the phone number and address e dey na bottom as I talk to you so but in case you come forget we dey for website o you go see at www.edotalkshow.com.ng.com anywhere wey you dey find all of them dey there Edo Talk Show and history make Godwin Osamoye na well done o.